Tree. Should be here by now. 7:20. Supposed to be here at 7 o'clock. Here's the bear. This is our living room. Patrick. Itakpan si Crystal. That's the way going upstairs, our bedroom. The bedroom's upstairs. Dito naman ang dining room. Wala pa yung mga bang pagkain. Wala pa sila. So close. May cookies. May takip pa. Ito ang papuntang kitchen. Christmas wreath. Now we're going downstairs. Hi, Daddy. Merry Christmas.
Hi, folks. How's everybody out there? The party's about to begin.
Wala tayong Christmas music.
You know what? We're gonna have to go back.
In a few minutes, I'm watching TV.
He's not straight enough.
Lakasan mo konti yung ano.
I wish I had something else to wear.
What? Necklace? Huh?
Yeah.
Did you say you have nothing else to wear?
Yes, why?
No reason. Okay, why don't we take
This
you back
is our
another
party.
to the other model?
Wait.
How's that?
Konti pa.
Huh?
Konti pa.
Lisa Landry of House of Landry.
Like that?
Yeah, she's a logo designer all the other models are clamoring to wear.
You mind if I steal a piece?
Well, you. Knock yourself out.
Let's check in here. There they are. You two have a lot of explaining to do.
Let's go in the bathroom downstairs. I mean, ito yung bathroom sa baba. Ayan din sa taas. Kita pa yun.
Miss Neal, I'm sorry. I'll take my gown. How's your wedding? Hi, I'm Lisa Landry.
How do you do? I know this is short notice. Do you think you have time to alter this dress by tomorrow? Honey, by the time I have to look up the bed and the shoes will go with it.
Before we go, ladies, something like to say, Miss Peel?
Can we have your autograph?
Okay, we're going back upstairs. Sa bathroom upstairs. I don't know. Ito muna sa bedroom ni Patrick. Patrick's bedroom. Tapos medyo malinis ngayon. Iwanan naka-on yung computer niya. You left your computer on. Okay, let's go in Krista's room. Krista? There you are. Merry Christmas.
You recording?
Yeah, I am. Medyo ito babae ito kung anong mga nakasabit. Ayan ang kanyang mga Barbie dolls. Sana isa ka sa order. Mickey Mouse nakatago. Dami mo nakasasabit-sabit kung ano. Say Merry Christmas, babe.
Merry Christmas.
Ano talaga yan?
What?
What's that doing in your bed?
Straw?
That's the funny mo. We're in the kitchen. Yes.
I can record.
Yeah, wait. Let me finish this first.
Okay.
Gumawa ako ng mga fruit baskets. Yun ang pangregalo sa iba. May apples, oranges. Meron kaming TFC, the Filipino Chow. Kaya lang nag-i-snow. Kaya walang hindi taon yata ng snow yung satellite. Napuno ng snow. Kaya walang ma-pick up ngayon. Nakakainis kung kalang Christmas. What's that, babe? Not too close. What are you eating? Cookie? Freshly baked cookies. Bagong baked ni Crystal.
Nice. I'm gonna give this away.
Katana magawa na yung cable. Nakakainis. We're gonna share yung kaneta.
Let me record, Mom.
Later again, because I just did the whole house.
Again?
Oh, did I hear a sound?
You looking quiz from yet?
Huh?
Quiz room.
Yeah, I do. Merry Christmas! Jobet and, I mean, Joe, what's that, Joy's not here yet. Let me call them.
Yeah, I'm trying to fix my
Crystal,
garage. It won't stay.
look. Look at this. Look what happened to my house after El Nino. Look at it. Look at it.
What's your house? This one?
God has protected Crystal's house. It is still fine. El Nino.
Garage is falling.
Bakit, miss? Malaki
Fruit
kinuha mo.
Loops and Twix?
Yeah. These are cough drops.
Malaki kinuha mo.
Which all?
Those orange
Balls?
things. Yeah. Children. No. Wait, Crystal, cover this.
And this is one of those thingies, those sour tarts, right?
Yeah.
That's the only thing.
Same thing, this tarts.
That's what you get if you...
Ah!
Oh, sorry.
Tapos si Lito, ayaw naman niya, yung ganon, ayaw mo naman
Hi.
paulit-ulit.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, nice job. You recording?
Yeah.
So bright.
Hello.
It doesn't say low in battery.
It has a flashing battery.
No, that's not the battery. That means it's... Wait, it's recording now? It's too bright.
Paano tatanggalin?
Kanyo ka isa-isa nakatulog.
No, this one.
Merry Christmas. Okay, dessert time. Ano ba mali dessert natin? Puro dessert na ngayon ang dessert. Ito yung kesa ni Bola mo. Pag kumain ka,
Did you buy that?
Masarap yung ham ni ano ah.
ito yung kesa ni Bola. Sira yung sa inyo? Di ba nakahiwa na yan, Minda? Anito? Okay.
Hindi pa rin ang talagang...
Hindi nga. Mag-doon kayo magkapalak sa akin na ganyan lang. Dati, alam mo, ang masarap na kayo bola, yung magkapi niya, tapos yung pag binuksan mo yun, nagmamasika, ano? Masarap.
Mantika! Mantika! Wala, coke na lang! Wala na!
Bakit wala na?
Hindi, mamaya.
Una pa yung isang after Christmas ka bumili ng ganyan.
Saan pwede ba nagkarilya dito? Which room? Garage? Tragis ka naman, palalamigan mo ako.
Walang pen sana may pen.
Okay lang.
Hindi kayo nagsasalita.
Nakain na kami. Luto na kami. Nahihintay yung pagbasa eh.
Dalawa na ako. Ano hapon eh?
Hindi kami nag-dinner.
Dalawa na ako. Busog na ako.
Dalawang kandisa? Ano?
Mamaya naman ulit.
Yung whole night naman.
Ano ba? Alam mo ko lahat.
Kamatis!
Nice, nice.
Saham?
Yeah. Sunrise.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mayonnaise and
Mayroong lettuce
tomatoes.
dyan.
No more lettuce, just
Tomato.
tomatoes.
Wala yata kami.
Ikaw yung naman yung mga gifts?
Dami. Wala pa yung kila Lily.
Mamaya pa. What's this?
Kakanta pa sila. Kayo pala.
Sharon!
I know I did. But I can find it.
Very Christmas na parang
Ito mo?
TV pa yatin dala nila. Malaki yung...
Nabasagan, may gusto.
Basagan eh.
Oh, Tom, bigat nun ah.
Ay, naku, nabasagan na to. Merry Christmas!
Lalaki ah.
Lalaki.
Teka.
Tama nga sabi. Parang gising ka pa yata.
Alam niya Christmas, sumakakagay sa'yo.
Pasko kasi.
Mas kaya ang tuwalya naman.
Joyce, come here. Joyce! Dali mo!
Eh, kunin na lang yun kay Tamper.
Pwedeng gamitin ito.
Oo.
Tito, I want to see Tamper too.
He's in his cage.
Yung halagang mahalin mo rin ang sarili. Oo, kung nahintayin ang iwan. Maglalabas sa same place na relasyon. Oo, totoo yun. Ikaw mo lang, ganito rin ba nararamdaman mo? Huli! Darating pa.
Dadating pa. Binalot na yata nila yung bahay nila eh, oh.
Ka na ba?
Aray.
Remember this from me?
Binalot na yung bahay nila.
Bumili ko kanina.
Bumili na pala si Ladjo eh. Kaya ako kilala. Hindi ko alam kung saan.
Dala ko pa yung tripod. Dala ko pa yung tripod.
Ay, ganun din naman eh.
Basta ang kaso dito. Kailangan ng tripod, ito oh.
Masarap ito yung ano ah. Ano yan? Gucci, ay ano yan? Karyoka.
John Bear!
Kaya nga isang dahon. Pinuto ko, alam mo, wala ko pa kayo. Ano eh? Pagkakawal na yun. Marigold. $50, ano?
50 cents? Isa?
Isa, di ba?
Yung karaoke?
Oo.
$10, 50.
Oo.
Mas nabi kasi ang cost naman one yan eh kung...
Sarap to.
At saka doon yun, ano yun.
Parang ano, palabok na may...
Natanda mo yung si Bagabi, yung nagpa sa bahay. Dala ni Mercy na turon. $3-4 daw. Siguro kasi tumawag yung may, ang anibal niya, nakabalot sa anibal, kaya matigas ang ano. Doon, $3-4 yun.
Masarap ako masyado yung guys.
Masarap ko yun.
Sa labas. Slaps na eh. Pwede na yun.
Dali ko lang mo yun nila, yung ginawa nila at pati.
Kailangan, at least umpisa na.
Oo. Hindi, simba pa tayo.
Ay, nagsimba na tayo ah.
Ha?
Yung Sabado.
Jo,
Ha?
maglagay ka ng
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, it's Making
Dali mo to! Ito! Maubos ang pera dyan. Di bale. Galing ah! Come on everyone. Dance! Yay! Woo! Alright! Yay! Galing ah! Give them a penny! Oh, you're gonna sing for Ate Shirley, Ate Myrna. They're coming. You have to sing for them so they'll give you more money. You have to sing for Auntie Myrna. They're here. They're here. Nandito na inay, tay. Hello. Yeah, Merry Christmas. All right, there you go. Now you're gonna sing for them.
There's some more people are coming. They're gonna give you money.
Come on.
Si Ed.
Sing ah.
Palabas sila. So siya, hindi na sumama?
Kumanta kayo. Louder.
Sangat yan. Baka sabihin niya din.
Okay. What about Rudolph again?
Nakakolekta ng pera.
Rudolph the red nose. Wala na.
Nakakalimutan yun.
Bagong style yun. Anong bago? Hindi ka uso ni Mama yun eh.
Jingle bells.
Yeah, like this. Yeah. Go like that.
Jingle bells.
Dashing through the snow. You always, Rejoice, you always bring your maracas. Rejoice, you always bring your maracas when you're singing.
How about Silent Night?
Baka gusto niyo mag-init ng pandesal. Eh, sa oven. It's over there sa kitchen. Naku, holy night na akong galing ah. Natanaw na
Did you sing in the concert?
sa silangan. Come sing the Tagalog.
Hey, Mark.
What about you? Better watch out. Frosty.
School eh.
Oh, okay.
Ang pastor sumapit.
What? Feliz Navidad.
Can I make a request? Mas mahal pagka-request ata yung McDonald's.
Christmas. Yay!
Santa Claus, the best one from the story. Okay. Who's got a beard that's long and white? Who's got a beard that's long and white? Santa got a beard that's long and white. Special night.
Bilis. Special night.
Must be Santa. Must be Santa. Must be Santa. Santa Claus.
Yay! Can we rest now?
What else?
Make sure hindi tatayan dyan ah.
We're gonna put it. Give them to your mama.
There's Mac Mac. Ray Mark. Merry Christmas. Araw-araw, magiging Pasko lagi. Ang sanhi po ng pagparito, hihingi po ng Ginoo. Kung sakali kami pawisyo.
You sing.
What?
You sing first, you sing.
Jingle bells. Jingle bells.
No, si Dicky.
Ay, yan ang gusto niya kasi.
Oh, ano yung mga ano, jeep.
Ay, hindi yan. Nakain ko siya. Hindi na natin. Ay,
Ay, oh, sorry.
Ayaw!
Merry Ay.